Welcome to Royal Rally Amped, the amazing race for supercars. Tons of great challenges, fantastic reactions, fast cars, and smiles per gallon. Don't go anywhere because this is going to be epic. This is our route card that is going to tell us where we have to go today. So this thing is guiding us to Vulcan Alberta for the Air Bomber Museum as stop number 1. This card and all the stops is what gives us our points for the day, gives us our placing positions, and whatever else. So we do not know yet what the stop after is going to be, but we are on our way to that, and this is going to be a great day with a bunch of great cars. See you guys there. Very, very cool to see Code 3 Media stickers on everything here. And we've had an eventful start to the day. There's already been a couple of pullovers from the sounds of it. There's already cops up here at the first stop. We got a sick line of cars on the side of the road. Let's go see stop number 1. Thing number 1, we are making paper airplanes. We're over at the Nanton Bombardier Museum. And the thing we gotta do, I'm gonna build a killer airplane. It's gotta go farther than anybody else's. And the further it goes, the more points we get. See how this goes. Nicely done. So close. We got 2 out of 3 possible points. We almost made it all the way. This is close, but let's go on to the next. Got a few questions to answer. We're gonna go for a walk through the museum. And we're walking around in the Bomber Museum. This is pretty darn cool. And it's the fun part about Royal Rally is whenever we go to like stops like this, you gotta go around and you end up finding clues and things hidden. So as we're walking around, we've already got a couple of different answers on here to a couple of the questions. We got a couple more yet to find, and this helps dictate points, which is gonna be pretty darn cool. I think we'll do really well. Obviously we lost 1 point with the airplane thing, but I think if we don't lose anything else, we'd still do really, really well. So we're gonna keep walking around, find ourselves some answers, and get back on the road. All right, stop 1 down. Let's go to stop 2.
My suggestion is to go straight to the Vulcan Alberta.
Snail cloud. We're at stop number 2. This is in Vulcan, Alberta, and we're here to see some Star Trek stuff. We got to check out. I'm not sure exactly yet what we're going to be doing. But we got everybody here. It was a very, very fun drive. Go check it out. We're counting stars on the mural wall. This is one of a few here. One of the few different things we got to answer on the route card, that is. Counted 41. Brittany counted 40. She's wrong. It's 41, guaranteed. But you know, Vulcan Alberta, Star Trek fans. Apparently the two things mix. Corey and I were chit-chatting. Curious, let us know in the comments down below what you guys think of the BMW i8. I can't tell if I like it or not. It's a 3-cylinder hybrid car, but it looks super exotic. They're not that fast, but it's still fast enough to be fun. Apparently, I've never driven one, but I don't know. Let us know down below what you think. I'm uncertain.
Nice.
You doing, Jeremy?
Taking a picture of Paul. See here. Another one of the things on the list.
I don't know where Adam is.
There is the like floating statue of essentially a Star Trek ship. I'm gonna say Adam and Britt would crucify me for that one because they love this stuff. But we are on our way. Apparently Carmen Gay, which yes is a real town, is the next stop. So we're heading out of Vulcan and towards Carmen Gay. There's only one of each Lamborghini, McLaren, Ferrari. And Lambo behind us, the Ferrari in front of us, and we're in the McLaren. So, pretty damn cool, I'm not gonna lie. It's a gated manual F430 with carbon ceramics. It's actually a very, very cool car.
Fronteggiamo le sventure. Oh yeah, solo stelle nulla più. Prova di coraggio, di virtù. Corri, non vi sono più.
All right, we did good. We went a minute, we had to run around, and because Paul's wife Kelly is unable to currently walk, we did a 3-man team and combined, got full points, and they pretty much just carried me all the way around, which was odd and great all at the same time. But we're off to our lunch stop, which is not that far away, about a half hour. We're gonna get some rollers, have some fun, and go get some food.
What you waiting for? I think we're ready to ride.
All right, we have made it to Pitcher Butte, which is the lunch stop. We gotta hand this route card in. We're gonna go eat some food. So we'll join you guys after lunch. That was fantastic. We went after, well, as you guys just saw, we went after and stopped and got fuel. And there was a couple kids, and like all the gas station attendants absolutely loved the cars. And then there was a kid who let him sit in and start the car, and he absolutely loved it. I love sharing stuff like this because that little dude, better, if you're watching right now, you better be motivated to come and play with stuff like this because it's totally doable, and I know you can do it. But that was awesome. It was very, very awesome. I love sharing the cars like this. We're having tons of fun. It's a super, super nice day. Making some noise, doing some moderately dumb stuff in safe, fun ways, and I don't know, stoked to keep going. Food also, by the way, the food was fantastic. First stop after lunch, got the McLaren all parked up over here, the Lambo, Jag, and the GLC. I'm gonna go, we're at the Birds of Prey Museum, or Birds of Prey Foundation, in Coaldale, Alberta. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Been enjoying some really, really nice driving today. If you've never done a rally like this, you need to, because oh my gosh, these are so much fun. Nice roads, nice weather, nice cars, go enjoy. Obviously, we've got our radios and everything else that make it a blast, but let's go check out some Birds of Prey.
So I've got 3 cards.
Okay.
So there's 3 different cards in this deck, so you're going to draw one and show me what you drew. So you just drew a Kiss. So we also have Spice Girls and we have the Wiggles in the deck. So at your next 2 stops, you're drawing cards as well. And if you get one of each card, 1 Spice Girls, 1 Wiggles, and then 1 Kiss, you get full points. 2 of a kind is 1 point, 3 of a kind is 2 points.
Cool. There we go, guys.
Alrighty.
One down. part is, we just realized, depending on what we get, we can all do tradesies to try and
Parts that we
maximize our
need,
points.
he's already got a Kiss. We've got Spice Girls. You don't want to have any of the same cards, so we can trade them and see how this goes.
Yeah, we'll make sure. We're gonna see. We'll see if we can swap stuff around. If you're seeing this map, it's already too late to realize we didn't cheat, but we may have kind of cheated. We don't even know yet.
Oh, shoot.
Which one will it be? Oh.
Woo!
Is that what we wanted?
That is what we wanted.
And now you guys holding on to the cards?
Yes.
There you go. You're
Beautiful.
all set.
We got 2 different ones. We're good.
Nice.
We winning so far. See, one more. Just need one more. All right. We're doing good. We got 2 different cards. Root card. Everybody's ready? Let's go to the next stop.
Oh, baby
How'd we do?
spice.
Got all 3? And if you're bored, there's gonna be all this stuff goes on YouTube. It's Code 3 Media.
Code 3 media.
Code 3 Media.
Put that in my nose.
Do it. Do it. Do
Can I
it.
look in there?
Take a quick peek.
Oh, that's crazy.
Pretty wild, hey?
That's nice.
You guys have a great day, okay? All right, speaking of which, now there's a lot of you guys that are probably watching, or a few of you guys that are watching, that aren't subscribed. So those kids are gonna subscribe. Had a few other people subscribe. If you're bored and watching this, give us a subscribe, a like, a comment. Every bit of it helps. It's the fun side of rallies. We're not sure exactly what's about to happen, but we're sure it's gonna be interesting. We can already see flashing lights up there. And the next stop, there's definitely cops hanging out. And it's ironic, but it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great, I'm sure. We've all got active insurance and registration. Nobody's done anything bad or dumb. It is what it is. Let's find out what happens. They say this is great. Yeah, them just playing, somebody's playing Bad Boys. It's gonna be fantastic. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Bad boys.
He looks like a car guy.
Take your time.
We're just gonna say, don't get in because you won't get out. We don't know when we're gonna get out, or everybody gets out one by one.
It's a great photo op, I guess. We are at our next stop, which was just past the cop, who is chatting with everybody, so we're gonna take our time. But we are at, I believe, it is an aqueduct. They say it's right behind us here, but it's an aqueduct of some kind. It's very, very cool looking. And we have some questions to answer, and I don't think we're in any rush. No. What do we do?
Like, I had all 4 windows down and Bad Boys as loud as the stereo would go, just crawling by.
Like sub thumping.
We're over at the aqueduct in Brooks, which is very, very cool. We've got a few questions to answer, so we have to read some of the signs and find the correct answers to get some points. I mean, we're in no hurry because, you know, everybody else is stuck 20 feet that way after getting their answers. So we'll go for a nice little walk, enjoy some scenery.
5-0. Get out this way.
Yeah, we... As it turns out, I'm a little bit of an idiot and I managed to lose some footage of us having a conversation with the police officer. But long story short, we made it through all good. We didn't have much for issues. And even if he was having a bad day and wanted to pass that along to us, we didn't let it dampen our mood. We hit the highway and we made it back to Calgary just in time for awards.
Third place was also a rookie. Team Memphis Reigns, Jimmy and Ann in the Ferrari F430. I will also call our second place team, our non-rookie finishers, Team Salt and Peppa, Kino and Courtney in the Lexus LX 550. And our first place, by a couple of points for sure, they were also one of our top airplane throwers at the Bomber Command Museum this morning. Team Lift King, Ross and Davina, in the Acura NSX. First place, also rookies, so you all did fantastic. Thanks, everyone.
All right, guys, that was Royal Rally Amped. We had a ton of fun, lots of driving, a couple of cops, all sorts of stupid shenanigans. It was absolutely great. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all the fun things. We'll see you guys next time. Nailed it.